Hey guys, Long the Realtor here. Today I'm at Lennar at Lake Las Vegas. This is the Morgan, the Lynn, and the Cordelia. The biggest one, this is the Morgan. This is in the Amano community in Lake Las Vegas. Look at that view over there. You can actually see the strip right there. And then all of these nice mountains and rocks with the desert landscaping. Super gorgeous. But yeah, let's go take a look inside. As you enter in, the stair does go to the side, so you do believe in feng shui. The stair does not go right outside, so that's a good sign. When you go in, you do have a nice storage under the stairs, which also doubles as a coat closet as well. Here's the great room, and they use this as a dining area. They got the upgraded white cabinets up in here with stainless steel appliances. Looks like they have quartz in here as well. This is the model home, so everything is upgraded. Look at the backsplash. It's nice. Alright, let's take a look in the backyard. It does have no neighbors in the back with a golf course view for this model home. And a backyard with a pool with waterfalls. Here's a nice big pantry. Alright, as we go on, here's a full shower downstairs. And then here's your first bedroom, which is typically a guest room or in-law suite. That's downstairs. Really nice. We'll take a look upstairs real quick. We go upstairs. This looks like a master bedroom. It's really big, but I might be wrong. So here's the first bedroom upstairs. It has a Jack and Jill bathroom. Here's the second bedroom coming from the Jack and Jill. They do have a technology package here. Here's the laundry room. And here's the master suite. Oh yeah, much bigger. They got the white cabinets all around. Here's the big old walk-in closet, combo shower and bath. And then his and her. So here's the second walk-in closet. This one comes with the master suite balcony. Check that out. Get the full view, the golf course and all. Beautiful.